Heard about the next big coin from a friend or on TikTok? Before you FOMO in, here's how to DYOR or do your own research and make smarter crypto moves. The crypto space is filled with hype, trends, and unfortunately, scams. Projects can look promising, but not all are built to last. DYOR isn't just a suggestion, it's your first line of defense before putting money into any token. It helps you avoid the pump and dump traps and find real, value-driven opportunities. With that said, here's a step-by-step guide to doing your own research. Number 1. Understand the project's purpose. Start by asking, what problem is this coin solving? Is it filling a real gap in the market or just another meme token? Head to the project's official website, check the About section, roadmap, and FAQs. Number 2. Read the white paper. A good white paper explains the project's vision, technology, tokenomics, and use case. If it sounds too vague or buzzword heavy, that's a red flag. Don't worry, you don't have to be a developer. Just look for clarity, purpose, and transparency. Number 3. Analyze the tokenomics. How many tokens exist? How are they distributed? Who holds the majority? Tools like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko show supply and market cap data. If the project's insiders hold 70% of the supply, you might want to dig deeper. Number 4. Check the team and backers. Are the founders doxed? Do they have a history of successful projects, or failed ones? Look for LinkedIn profiles, GitHub activity, or interviews. Real projects are backed by real people with real reputations. Number 5. See what the community is saying. Reddit, Discord, and X can reveal a lot. Is the community organic, or is it just bots and hype? Are devs responsive to questions? A healthy, active community is a great sign. Number 6. Audit and security checks. Has the project been audited? Look for certifications from firms like CertiK or Hacken. No audit? That's a potential risk, especially for DeFi or smart contract-based tokens. And number 7. Track price history and market trends. Look at the price chart. What patterns do you see? Sudden spikes followed by crashes? That could indicate manipulation or hype-based movement. A steady, growing trend backed by news or tech updates is healthier. Once you've done your research and feel confident, you can explore your options with platforms like Coinmama. It's beginner-friendly, secure, and shows transparent fees up front, no guesswork involved. And that's it. If this helped simplify crypto for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit our website at www.coinmama.com for more tools and learning.